So, this is how you make a super easy
Origami.
Paper airplane that is crash resistant and long flying. Let me unfold this for a second. Sorry. Alright, so start off with your paper. What? Oh. Start off with your paper, and first you fold it twice. Triangles up here. Then you fold it downward like this. Then you fold it like this, like a sharp. Then unfold it. Then what you want to do is on both sides do this. Then fold it in that same way. And you'll have this little triangle shape. Then you fold this up.
Celebrate farts.
Stop, bro. Fold this up, fold this down.
Chicken Jackie.
Shut up. Then you have this.
Origami.
Fold it down. Of course, like any other paper airplane. Fold it like with the wings, and then fold these up. So, and if you look at the front, it's not like point, it's like flat, which means it's crash resistant.
And I have person.
And this will help it go really. If you throw it the right way, people say that if you throw it the right way, it should come back to you. And
Chicken Jackie.
yes, there you go.
Pokemon.